Nomenclature of restriction enzymes. Each restriction enzyme is named after the bacterium from which it was isolated using a naming system based on bacterial genus, species and strain. So for example, you can take ECOR1, derivation of the ECOR1 name. Actually it is isolated from the Escherichia coli bacterium, abbreviation E. Escherichia. Description is genus, CO, species name, coli, nothing but species. Next, R, RY13, strain. The one represents first identified, order of identification, in the bacterium. The restriction enzymes are classified into two types: restriction exonucleases and restriction endonucleases. Depending on the cleavage nature. Restriction exonucleases remove nucleotides from the ends of the DNA by cleavage of hydrogen bonds and phosphodiester bonds. Endonucleases make cut at specific positions with the DNA. Each restriction endonuclease functions by inspecting the length of DNA sequence. After finding its specific recognition sequence, it binds to the DNA and cut each of the two strands of DNA double helix at specific points in sugar phosphate backbones. Each restriction endonuclease recognizes a specific palindromic nucleotide sequence in DNA of double helix. These restriction enzymes belongs to the class nucleases.